Good morning, children. This is your first class in science subject. We are going in our first chapter. The name of our first chapter is Nutrition in Plants. What's the name of our first chapter? Nutrition in Plants. Okay. Can we do something without energy? Can we do something? Is it possible to do this one without energy? No. We can't do anything without energy. Where does we get the energy? We get energy from the food. Our body digests the food that we eat and we get energy from that food items. Okay? And we eat different types of food in a day. Different varieties of food also. This is necessary for our body. Okay? And that the process, all the living organisms takes food. All living organisms, plants, animals, everyone need food. The food that we are eaten, that is that produces energy, and we are using that energy to do different kind of works. That process is called nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition means the food we are taken. All the living organisms takes foods, and that food provide energy, and that energy is used to doing different activities. That process is called nutrition. So we can see the definition of nutrition. Nutrition means the process. It's a process by which an organism takes in food. All the living organism takes foods and uses it for its growth, and use that food to its growth and utilizes it to perform other vital activities is called nutrition. Okay, food we are taken and we are using that food, otherwise that food is providing energy and we are using that energy to do our growth and doing other vital activities. That process is called the nutrition. Okay, once again see the definition of nutrition. The process. What is the process by which an organism takes in food? Okay, takes in food. This is the first time, the process by which an organism takes in food. First of all, take in the food and uses it for its growth. Second time, use that food for its growth. And the third one, utilizes it to perform other vital activities. There is three main points in this definition. First of all, we should have to take the food. Second one, use it for its growth, and the third one, utilizes it to perform other vital activities. This process is called nutrition. First of all, we should have to take the food. Second, we will use that food to growth, and third one, and other it utilizes to perform the other activities. These three processes are called nutrition. The process by which an organism takes in food, uses it for its growth and utilizes it to perform other vital activities is called nutrition. What is nutrition? Okay. And the next term, nutrients. What is nutrients? Nutrients means what? Components of food. It's a component of food, such as, what are the components, the main components of the food? That means food provides us carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the main components of the food. The components of such food is called nutrients. What is nutrients? Nutrients means the components of food. What is nutrients? The components of the food. What are the main components of the food? Carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are called nutrients. And what is nutrition? Nutrition, that's a process. Got it? Nutrition means that's it. Nutrition. That means that's a process by which an organism takes in food, uses it for its growth and utilizes it to perform other vital activities is called nutrition. It's a process by doing all the living organism. That is nutrition. And the nutrients means what? It's the components of food. Got it? Okay. Understood? Nutrition and nutrients. Nutrients means components of food. Nutrition means the process by which an organism doing. That is nutrition. And the components of food, that is nutrients. Okay? And the next, plants. Plants are the only living organism that prepare their own food. So that's why we are called plants. And what we are called plants? Producers. We are called plants producers. Why? Because plants are the only living organism that produce food, and that they use their food, and the remaining food they store in the different parts of their body. Supposing some plants using store their food in the leaves and in roots and in stems, that we are using, that we are consuming. Animals and human beings are consuming the food items that's stored by the plants. Okay. And plants also have the nutrition. They are preparing food and they are using their food for their activities. And the remaining food items, they are stored in the different parts of the body. Got it? Okay. And suppose in the nutrition in plants, we can divide the nutrition in plants two types. In plants also there are two types of nutritions. So the first one is autotrophic nutrition. First one, what is? Autotrophic nutrition. And the second one, heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, two types of nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants means what? The plants that are taking food and using it for its growth and utilizes it to perform other vital activities. Okay. Then there are two types of nutrition in plants. First one, autotrophic nutrition, and the second one is heterotrophic. The autotrophic nutrition means self-feeding. Self-feeding. That means plants are making their food and they are using that food for their growth and other activities. Okay, that such kind of nutrition is called autotrophic. All the green plants, almost all the green plants are autotrophic nutrition, have autotrophic nutrition. And in some plants have heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means what? Some plants can't prepare their food. Some plants, they do not have any photosynthesis process. Okay, some plants do not, they can't make their food, and they are also using other plants for food. Like that, human being and animals. Human being and animals are consuming the food that provided by the plants. Like that, some plants also depending other plants for their food. Such kind of plants are called heterotrophic nutrition. Suppose in what? Mushroom. Mushroom is an example. Mushroom is a plant, but it can't prepare its own food and it's depending food for the other things. Okay. In the further lesson, we should have to explain autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Now we conclude your homework. Okay. In your science notebook, first of all, write the name of the chapter. What's the name of our chapter? Nutrition in plants. Write the name of the chapter and write this definition in your notebook. First definition, nutrition. What is nutrition? The process by which an organism takes in food, uses it for its growth and utilizes it to perform other vital activities is called nutrition. And the second one, nutrients. What is nutrients? Components of food such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are called nutrients. Okay? Nutrition and nutrients. Write the definition of nutrition and nutrients in your notebook. And nutrition in plants. There are two types of nutrition in plants. First one, autotrophic nutrition, and the second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Write these 3 points in your science notebook and learn it. That's your homework. Thank you.